Oh, look at these little babies. They're so cute. Hi, how are you doing? Huh? They stuck you in jail. You want a cookie? Okay. Yummies. Where you guys at? Oh, look at you. Hi, honeys. What are you guys doing? Hold on, I'm trying to, let me just sanitize my hands real quick. La 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 la. They didn't have any on this side. Okay. Come here, babies. Oh, look at you. Say, ew. That's yucky. You want cookie? Come here. Come here. Come get cookie. Come get cookie. Come here, baby. Let's see what these guys are. They're two little unknown genders. Okay. Let's see if we can figure it out. You look like you're a little girl. Okay, so the tan one's a little girl. And the black one is a little boy. All right. We got a boy and a girl here. Oh, he's so cute. Hi. You guys look like you have fat bellies. You haven't missed a meal. Come here. Let me pet your head. Come here. Let me pet your head. Come here, sweetheart. They both have diarrhea, so that's not good. Sorry for graphic. Come here, honeys. Come here, honeys. Oh, no. Don't step in it, honey. Hi. Come on. Come on. Okay. I gotta go get pictures of you, and then I gotta scram. Gotta get back to work. Okay, one. Here you go. One more. One more for you, the baby girl, and one for the baby boy. Okay, bye.